as a service is a business model that leverages all the attributes of any other as a service business model, but applies it to capital equipment in the manufacturing sector. These business models have been very successful in a myriad different industries, from office printers to jet engines to IT hardware. But the complexity around applying that to the highly fragmented, extremely complex market that is capital equipment for manufacturing is a nuanced challenge that requires a high degree of automation and process control, which is exactly what we've built the SteamChain Secure Transaction Engine for automated machinery to help address. Now that the industry is deep into the transition to Industry 4.0, we find it fascinating that the primary process for acquiring capital equipment in the manufacturing sector still dates back to the original Industrial Revolution. The milestone-based capital procurement process is one that has changed very little since the original Industrial Revolution. And here we are with Industry 4.0 and the wealth of data and information that provides, still using clipboards to stand around and confirm that the machine that you purchased achieves the performance results that you had contracted for. And ultimately, the existing process is a very limited process. It really manages the risk of the performance of that asset up to the final payment, at which point all the risk ends up with the end user, and the end user is then in a position where they need to contract with their OEM or with a third party for any additional assistance that they need to achieve the performance levels on those assets over its entire life cycle, which could be 10, 15, even 20 years. We think the time is right for changing that dynamic, and that may mean changing how you do the traditional factory acceptance and site acceptance process, utilizing SteamChain and machine as a service to monitor and measure the performance attributes of the asset, not just at the time it's delivered, but over an extended period of time as you get more and more comfortable with your machine, as your operators get more training, and as your production process ramps up to its optimal performance. Wouldn't it be great if you had your OEM linked into that success, so that as you're achieving those metrics and as that machine is achieving its optimal output, there's incentives for the OEM to continuously help you achieve your business goals?